Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Molly Yeh Cookbook is probably one of the most delightful culinary companions for anyone looking to bring vibrant flavors and creative flair into their kitchen, offering a unique blend of family traditions and modern twists that are sure to inspire home cooks of all levels. Number 5. Soligt Rustic Wood Cookbook Stand. Tired of neck pain from bending over your recipes? This stand lets you adjust the angle for a comfortable view, making cooking a breeze. Keep your hands free while you follow along with your favorite recipes. Its sturdy kickstand supports cookbooks, tablets, and magazines with ease. When not in use, fold it up and hang it as a decorative piece. It adds a cozy touch to your kitchen without taking up much space. Strong metal page holders keep even thick cookbooks open to the right page. This flexible design ensures you can easily view and use your device. Designed to hold even the largest recipe books, it keeps pages open so you can quickly scan ingredients and steps without mess. Crafted with a rustic wood style, this stand brings a touch of charm to your kitchen counter. What we like? This cookbook stand offers an adjustable kickstand for comfortable viewing, eliminating neck strain. Its multifunctionality keeps your hands free while you cook. If you often find yourself looking down at recipes on a tablet or book and want a more ergonomic and convenient cooking experience, this is the perfect choice for your kitchen. What people say. It holds the book perfectly and is very sturdy. Looks very cute in the kitchen. Opens and is ready to use, no building, which I love. This cookbook stand was a Christmas present from my husband and I love it. It is sturdy enough to handle cookbooks of any size. I have minimal counter space and the stand has been so helpful so I don't have to leave a cookbook sprawled open taking up space while I'm baking or cooking. This one was big enough and sturdy enough to hold my Magnolia table cookbooks. It is very good quality. Previous stands I had ordered made marks on my pages, but this one does not. I also love that I am able to adjust the angle the cookbook is sitting at, as well. Number 4. Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Bakeware Set. Exciting news! Our beautifully designed and consciously crafted bakeware sets are now available on Amazon. It's time to elevate your baking and enhance your kitchen style. Experience a healthier and simpler baking journey. Our slick non-stick surfaces require less preparation and minimal scrubbing for a spotless clean. Prioritize your well-being with our bakeware. It's completely free from harmful materials like PTFE, PFOA, and lead, ensuring safety for your loved ones and the planet. These baking essentials are built to withstand high oven temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply hand wash and store them in the organizers to maintain their pristine condition. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: baking sheets, muffin pan, rectangle pan, square pan, loaf pan, circle pans, a cooling rack, and storage organizers. What we like? This bakeware set features a naturally non-stick ceramic surface and a non-toxic coating, ensuring healthy and easy baking. It also comes with convenient storage organizers. If you're looking for a complete, high-quality bakeware set that prioritizes your health and makes cleanup a breeze, this is the ideal option for all your baking needs. What people say. The non-toxic ceramic coating gives me so much peace of mind, especially cooking for my kids, and everything truly cooks like a dream. Food slides right off, cleaning takes seconds, and heat distributes beautifully without hot spots. The thoughtful storage system is the cherry on top. The magnetic pan rack and lid holders make organizing my kitchen feel luxurious and stress-free, while also saving space. Number 3. Half-Baked Harvest Cookbook, Mountain Barn Recipes. Step into the rustic charm of my mountain barn, a place where culinary inspiration comes to life. Discover a collection of recipes born from this unique and beautiful setting. This cookbook is more than just recipes. It's a journey into my personal culinary world. Experience the warmth and comfort of home-style cooking with every page. I've poured my heart into creating dishes that are both delicious and approachable. Now, I'm excited to share these creations directly from my kitchen to yours. Explore a bounty of flavors that celebrate the changing seasons. Each recipe is designed to bring the best of nature's harvest right to your table. Get ready to create memorable meals with ease. These recipes are crafted to be simple, incredibly delicious, and endlessly inspiring for any home cook. This is your invitation to explore the magic within the Half-Baked Harvest Cookbook. Let these recipes fill your home with joy and incredible aromas. What we like? This cookbook brings the charm of mountain living to your kitchen with cozy, barn-inspired recipes. It focuses on comforting and delicious meals perfect for sharing. If you love hearty, rustic dishes and want to bring a touch of rustic elegance and warmth to your home cooking, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. The HBH cookbook contains the same mix of healthy and decadent offerings, ranging from meat-y and cheese-y to vegetarian, as the blog does. You'll need some pretty standard spices, and perhaps a bit of patience for long and slow cooking, but otherwise there are no fancy ingredients or expensive kitchen items required to pull these recipes together. Every recipe has the most beautiful photos to go along with it. Number 2. Simple recipes for every day. Discover how easy cooking can be. This collection offers simple recipes perfect for any day of the week. Forget complicated steps. We focus on delicious results with straightforward instructions. Find inspiration for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These recipes are designed to fit seamlessly into your busy life. Elevate your home cooking without the stress. Learn techniques that make every meal a success. Enjoy flavorful dishes without the hassle. It's all about making great food accessible for everyone. What we like. This cookbook is designed for simplicity, offering easy-to-follow recipes for any occasion. It provides a wide range of dishes suitable for busy individuals and families. If you're looking for straightforward, delicious meals that don't require complicated techniques or rare ingredients, this is the perfect companion for your everyday cooking. What people say. This cookbook has so many recipes I want to try. I guess I'd say it's the very best of quality comfort food. The photographs are beautiful and the many of the finished recipes have an elevated appearance. This is a cookbook that cooks of any level can use to prepare tasty, attractive, healthy foods. The recipes are creative, yet practical in that they don't have hard-to-find ingredients or take hours to make. Number 1. Recycled Recipes 2, Japan Edition. Discover a new way to cook with Recycled Recipes 2. This edition brings you the best of Japanese culinary traditions. Explore authentic Japanese flavors and techniques. It's a journey into a rich and diverse food culture. Learn how to create delicious meals with a focus on sustainability. Reduce waste and embrace eco-friendly cooking. Uncover innovative recipes that are both exciting and easy to follow. Perfect for home cooks looking for inspiration. Bring the vibrant tastes of Japan into your kitchen. Enjoy a truly unique and satisfying cooking experience. What we like. This Japanese edition cookbook focuses on creative recipes using recycled ingredients, offering a unique culinary perspective. It's perfect for adventurous cooks seeking innovative ways to use food. If you're interested in sustainable cooking, exploring Japanese flavors, and trying out unconventional yet delicious recipes, this cookbook will inspire your culinary journey. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the results are delicious. I love the beautiful photography in this cookbook. It makes the recipes even more appealing. Molly Yeh shares her unique perspective and personality through her recipes, making it a joy to cook from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.